Hello and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use a constructor function to create sets from other collection data types. In the previous code you saw that we created the fruit variable and we used this set literal to store a set that has banana, orange, mango in the fruit variable. At this point we created a set, okay? However, it is possible for us to convert other collection data types into a set. As long as these data types are collection data types and they are iterables, we can convert them into a set. So we can convert tuples, we can also convert list into a set. And if we make some extra effort, we can even convert either the keys or the values of a dictionary into a set as well. So let's first of all change this fruit into a list, okay? So at this point, if I print the type of fruit, so if I print type fruit, I know you know this already, but just to confirm. So if I print, let me close this. If I print the type of fruit, we expect to see list because it is delimited in square brackets, okay? And then on line 2, I'm going to say fruit is equal to set fruit. So what's going to happen here is this set is a constructor function that takes in another collection data type and converts that into a set. So the fruit on line 1 is going to be converted into a set and stored here on line 2. So basically we are replacing whatever is in fruit on line 1 by a set, okay? So if I come here and I run this, you can see that this time around we have the type to be set instead of a list as you saw, and that was made possible by the set constructor function. Just to demonstrate that it also works for a tuple, I'm going to convert line 1 from a list to a tuple, and then we're going to run the same code and we expect to see that indeed we have a set over here. So initially it was a tuple, but the set constructor function is able to take in these iterables and convert them to set for us. So that's it about the set constructor function. Let's take a quick pause and I'll see you in the next video where we discuss how to deal with the items in your set collection data types.